Have you ever wanted to message a friend who speaks a different language but felt unsure if they understand you? Here's how you can use the chat translation feature to make cross-language chatting super easy. First, open a chat in WhatsApp with the person you want to message. Then tap the writing assist icon above the keyboard. Now, tap chat translation. For example, let's say you have a friend from France. Set the search language to auto and the target language to English. Now, type your message in French. And then tap send. After sending, your phone will show the English translation below your message, so you know exactly what you said. So when you are texting someone who speaks another language, this feature makes communication easy. No switching between translation apps or copy pasting needed. Just type, send, and see the translation instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.